again. One of the problems I've got each day as I do more and more of a specific repair is a problem with changing soldering iron bits. Obviously we've got the desoldering tweezers on the Icon 2 and the usual soldering iron on the other channel, but I am forced to change that bit over to a very fine conical bit multiple times every day, and it's getting a bit tedious and it's wasting time, plus unnecessary wear and cycles of the machine that would normally just be left on. So I wanted to go for something not at the budget end, and I was surprised to see a Weller 135 I think this is. It's a WE1010. I've also ordered some bits that won't be arriving till next week. 70 watts, ESD, a new LCD, standby settings 1 to 99 minutes, obviously a digital display, high power, easy to control. I think there's a basic menu there. Automatic setback. I don't know what automatic setback is, and you do not need tools to change the tips. Again, they just unscrew and the tips goes in the end. So yeah, there we go. Don't need anything else very interesting on it. Let's pop that open. Okay, so we have a EU and a UK mains cable. And we have some warnings here. The product images shown are for illustration purposes only. Actual product may vary due to product enhancement. Okay then. Blimey, a book. English, let's have a look. Yes, we have about 17 pages of English. Actually no, that's a lie. We've got 2 pages of English. The diagrams are multi-language at the front with a key here in different languages, and then just a couple of pages of instructions. In fact, yeah, whatever, it's a solar station. Product registration, okay. So there is the Weller WP70, 23 volts, 70 watts. I'm sure we have a very nice silicon cable, and we do. They're a good length. I don't know if you'll be able to see this. So very good length. That's got to be 4 foot, I would think, long. A softish sort of foam handle, a quick change there. Yeah, look, that just takes out. You can actually see they've tested this, and the bit just comes straight out the end. So yeah, couldn't be any quicker than that. That is the sort of nozzle, tip. Actually, it's not. It is a chisel shape tip, so we'll need to change that for a finer one when they get here. Flipping heck, how hard can this be to open? Part of the stand, and much to my surprise we have a metal stand, rubber feet, quite weighty, the old sponge ready to suck up some water. other part of this solder station. No idea how that goes together. Yeah, a little disappointing there are no additional bits. So here's the main unit. Made in Mexico, okay. Right, let me get down to your level here. Let's have a look. So, underneath we've got the WE1010, nice rubber feet, made in Mexico, designed and engineered in Germany. We do actually have a serial number, simple on-off switch, some sort of soft menu button up and down, and an input IC socket on the back. I'm not quite sure what the two screws there for, but apart from holding the cover on. Right, so let's see if we can assemble the soldering iron stand first of all. Absolutely no bloody clue how that goes together. That's a bit embarrassing. Looks like it goes in there. Uh-huh. Literally just push in there. Well, I suppose so. I guess that's it. No, I guess it isn't. For pity's sake, how hard can it be? No, it definitely is right. That pushes down. Yeah, it definitely just goes into that slot. You can see there. Probably just got to press a little bit harder. Oh, right, there we go. It's actually a channel that's going into the metalwork. Yeah, if I show you underneath, you can see it. Hopefully, just in there. So yeah, you have to push it all the way in. And now that will sit there quite happily. Okay, so let's line this up with the notch. Quick lock, and we'll get it plugged in. Couldn't make it out because you can't get the bloody cable tie off of it. There we go. No doubt it was supposed to stay on there permanently, but that is now off. Okay. Alright, we are off. Let's plug this in. And here we go. A nice clear display. Certainly nowhere near as quick as the Ursa to heat up. The Ursa would have been at temperature already. Hopefully you can see the display okay. Oh, it's a nice display. I don't think oh, it is lit. Is it lit? Or is that just a reflection? No, it's not lit. Yeah, it's not a lit display. That's the set temperature whilst it's flashing the degrees C, and as soon as that goes solid, that's the temperature it's at. Seems to like to overshoot. Wow, I didn't realise how good the Ursa was till we've looked at this. 380 that's set to. Yeah. Right, let's have a look on this button here, see what we've got. So it looks like we've got a standby of 2 minutes. We can set an offset there if things are not right. We can just select degrees or Fahrenheit, sorry, centigrade or Fahrenheit. That is a lock pin code and back to normal. So yeah, basic functions. Looks perfectly okay. Let's just melt some solder onto that. Oh. Yep, absolutely fine. So yeah, no presets or anything other than, you can only set it to what you can adjust here. And that is a quick change. Just slow compared to the Ursa, but then the Ursa is 6-7 times as much money. That's perfectly acceptable. Yeah. Yeah, there we go. So absolutely fine. Yeah, just slow, but at that price I think you can expect that sort of behaviour. But that's great. That is the second iron with the very fine tip, or will be next week, and that will save me swapping tips over constantly throughout the day. So yeah, I think we can probably recommend this. Didn't bother going with the Weller tips. There are plenty of aftermarket ones that actually surprisingly got very good feedback. So we'll see, I think, is the answer there, and we'll give some feedback on that when we've got them. Right, just going to have a quick look at the difference. Strike-on 2 and the Weller. That's the difference. The is already up to temperature, and the Weller's barely started. But as I said, it's 5 times the price. That is what you are getting if you pay the big bucks. But this will be on all day, so it's not really an issue. There we go. That's just overshot a bit, and that will be coming back down hopefully. So there you go. That's the main difference there.